Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default calling app on iPhone. So guys, if you want to change default calling app on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, update your device and after this go back and now you have to simply scroll it below all the way and here we'll see the apps button on your iPhone settings. Simply tap on apps and now here you have to simply tap on default apps. So guys, simply tap on this and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on calling from here. So guys, simply tap on calling and from here you can change default calling app on your iPhone. So guys, you can see this, you can select FaceTime audio, you can select cellular and you can also select WhatsApp from here. So guys, you can easily change default calling app from here on your iPhone as well. So guys, this is the way to change default calling app on your iPhone and you can easily do this from here. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.